Hello everybody, and thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be giving you all the details on one of Disney's most beloved and iconic properties, the Polynesian Village Resort. Whether you're just starting to plan your next Disney vacation or planning on where to drink on your monorail bar crawl, we're going to give you all the details from room prices to food to all the perks you get while staying at a deluxe Disney property. This property focuses heavily on an immersive island getaway with heavy inspiration from the islands of the South Pacific. The rooms here start at around $800 per night, but typically go into the thousands most times of the year. And now we're gonna head inside the Great Ceremonial House, aka the lobby, to give you the details on the shops and the food. Now let's talk about food. Ohana is one of the most popular restaurants here, known for its all-you-care-to-enjoy character breakfast. Reservations here are often hard to get, so we do recommend booking those as far in advance as you can. Kona Cafe is another popular option available for breakfast and dinner. This restaurant is known for its infamous Tonga toast. Right next to the Kona Cafe is Kona Island. It's a little quick service option where you can get coffees, pastries, yogurts, and light snacks. Captain Cook's will be your quick service restaurant here. It's popular for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and late night snacks. If you're coming here on your monorail bar crawl, Trader Sam's is going to be the place to go. It's one of Disney World's most unique lounges. With themed cocktails and interactive special effects, this is a can't miss if you're staying here. You can also get the drinks available at Trader Sam's at an outside Trader Sam's walk-up bar. If for whatever reason you're not able to get into Trader Sam's, there is Tambu Lounge, which is located in the main building upstairs next to Ohana. If you're planning on drinking around the Disney Resort properties, we have a video on that too. We'll link it up above. A must-stop shop here at the Polynesian Resort is Botiki, where you'll find anything you need from Disney ears to baby bottles. So let's go inside to see what we can find.
Those are really pretty.
Those are cute. They have Polynesian ears. They also have this Polynesian hat.
I like the hat a lot.
That's cute.
I think the hat is very
Oh, look
very
at
cool.
the brim.
I know, that's cool, huh?
The hat is $33.
Very cool.
The property features 3 pools, with the main pool being located right in the center of the property, where you'll find a children's splash pad, water slide, and pool bar. This will be the busiest pool, and if you wanted something a little bit more laid back, there are 2 other pools to either side of the main pool, which will be less busy and a little bit more quiet for your enjoyment. Here you'll also find the Oasis pool bar, which serves food and specialty cocktails. There are 3 complimentary transportation options available for you. The 2 most popular options are the monorail and the boats that will pick you up directly from the resort and take you to the front gates of the Magic Kingdom. If you're afraid of heights or get seasick, there is also complimentary buses available that will pick you up directly in the front of the resort. Parking is right outside the main lobby and is complimentary for hotel guests. Grand Floridian Hotel is also just a short walk from this property, and on the way you'll pass the newly opened Island Tower, which is a DVC resort. The gym on property is located inside the newly constructed DVC Island Tower. It's open 24 hours a day, and it was never very busy when we walked by. And the last pool on property is the Cove Pool, located right next to the DVC Island Tower. This pool is small, but it makes up for it with the Moana splash pad. Now we're going to take you to the room. This is a theme park view room. This room happens to be club level. If you want to check out our experience at the club level here at the Polynesian Resort, check out our channel for that.
So as soon as you step in on the right, you do have your bathroom. So directly in front, you have your toilet. On the left-hand side, you have your towels and your towel rack. You also have a trash can. As you come out a little bit, on your left, you're gonna have your shower, which is a very nice looking shower. You have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This is all Sea Marine shampoo, Sea Marine conditioner, and sea salt body wash. Directly behind us, you do have your mirror. So you have a pretty big size mirror. You have a makeup mirror here. You have your sea salt hand soap. You do have sea salt bath soap, vanity kit, shower cap, mouthwash, and you do have your sea salt body lotion. You also have a his and hers sink over here as well. When you're coming out of the bathroom, you do have your Keurig right there on your right, as well as your ice bucket. And I believe that's probably a mini fridge. We'll check that out in a second. Directly in front of us is your closet. So you have a handheld steamer right there, as well as your safe and a lot of shelving. On On this side here, you do have extra pillows and blankets on top. Pretty big space in the middle for your luggage, and then more drawer space on the bottom. And then over here, you have your closet with your hangers, your luggage rack, and some robes as well. So right here next to the closet, you do have your Keurig. You do have a bunch of these Joffrey Keurig cups. This is the Walt Disney World coffee brand. You also have creamers and sweeteners back there. Your ice bucket. You just have a drawer right underneath. And then below that, you do have a nice looking fridge. It's pretty empty, but you can definitely put stuff inside. Swinging back this way, you do have your main room. So this is a room that overlooks over the Seven Seas Lagoon. You have 2 queen size beds here. You have a little nightstand over there with some electrical outlets. Over here in the middle, you do have a nightstand with your phone. You do have your Hey Alexa Disney thing here. And then you have your information for your calls. You have a bunch of electrical outlets back here as well. Inside the beds, you do have some reading lamps. Nice picture of Moana over there. And if you swing around, you do have your TV. Then you have your sofa and a little table. You have this really cool little Mickey towel here on the bed, which is really cute. I really like the flooring in here. And then I like that this coffee table right here in front is kind of curved like a wave. You have some really big drawer space here underneath the TV. So it's really big. Here is the information for club level if you guys want to pause it and take a read of the times and what they offer. The lampshades here are really cool. So you got Moana, you got Hey Hey, you got Pua over there, which is really neat. So this room does have a patio, so you can go out. So over there, directly across from us, is the Grand Floridian and the dock. There are the bungalows. And then out here, you have your little table. And you have some chairs over here, which is nice. And then you can definitely see the Contemporary over there in the corner. You can kind of see, it's directly in front, you can kind of see the castle back there as well. Hopefully you guys can see it. So that's going to be it for our room here at the Polynesian, room 1501.
That's gonna do it for our review of Disney's Polynesian Village Resort here at Walt Disney World. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button for us and consider subscribing to our channel. We thank you for getting the details with us today, and we'll see you in the next one.